Hello everyone. Hi, my name is Shalom Dana. I'm a sophomore studying computer science, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the most technically impressive thing I've built to date. So before I got into computer science, I considered being an astrophysicist, but that changed the moment I fell in love with CS. And I don't know whether it's out of the love that could not be or what. Um, but I decided for one of my personal projects, to create a NASA image explorer. So the way this works is that it's a full stack application. It uses the main stack, so it has MongoDB, it has Express.js, it uses React, and so we have the backend that, like I said, uses MongoDB, and it uses APIs, particularly the NASA APOD Astronomy Picture of the Day API, and then it also uses Axios for efficient API requests. So this the NASA APOD API fetches daily and historical astronomy pictures of the day and just information. So this part is the backend part that generally is the backbone of the entire system. And so this is just the API endpoints. Oh yes, so the backend server and the front-end server run concurrently. So this is, well, how it's run the backend. And then we have the front end. One feature of this, which I'm expanding on, well, I'm working on, because I've just started coding it out and I'm still yet to put all the functionalities, is a quiz page. So I wanted to put a space quiz feature that would be gamified, and so you'd have like a couple of questions. The program already knows what the correct answer is, and so if you pick the correct option, that's great, you passed. If not, you failed. And to go with this, there's also a learn page that just has basic facts about space. And then MongoDB stores, you can save like your favorite pictures. So let's say you log on Tuesday, you open it on Tuesday, and the picture is a picture that you really like, or even just there's some historical fact about it that you really like. You can save it to your favorites and you can come back to it later on. So that's that. And this is the API handling is one of the impressive parts of the code. So I think that's it for the impressive parts of the code. But then generally for the quiz page though, I still need to integrate it with the front end. And so on the terminal, because it runs concurrently, I just use two terminals. So the first one is for the backend, so npm start to get this running, and then the second one is for the front end. So npm run dev, it lets you, oh yes, and this uses byte. So you can see the picture of the day. Interesting. Explore more corresponds to the explore page. Learn more about space is learn favorites. You can add this to your favorites. And this just leads you also to some of the tabs that were on the navigation. And I try to use NASA colors so that at least it shows